There was a time I used to wake up like a zombie, drifting through the morning with zero direction, barely conscious, letting the day happen to me instead of showing up for it. But the moment I committed to a real morning routine, not some extreme grind culture fantasy, but a system that actually fits a human life, everything began to change. My skin cleared up. My workouts became consistent. I started getting things done again. And most of all, my mindset shifted permanently. And no, this didn't happen because I joined the 5 a.m. cult or pretended to be a discipline robot. It happened because I built a simple, repeatable system that I could follow daily without burning out. Let me walk you through the 8 steps that genuinely turned my life around. 1. Set tomorrow before it starts. Before you sleep, write down 3 to 5 things you must accomplish the next day. Why? Because if you wake up without a plan, you give your brain permission to drift. And when your mind wanders, where does it usually go? That's right, straight to your phone. You open it to check messages, and suddenly it's 40 minutes later. Dopamine wrecked, momentum gone. But if you wake up with clarity, with direction, you start the day executing instead of reacting. High performers don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems. 2. Wake up between 7 and 9 a.m. Yes, really. You don't need to be up at 4 a.m. to be productive. What you need is deep, consistent sleep, 7 to 8 hours minimum. Your energy, focus, emotional control, and even discipline are all tied to how well you slept. Fake hustle is loud. Real productivity is well rested. So wake up at the same time every day. Sleep at the same time every night. Your body is wired for rhythm. Give it one. 3. Make your bed immediately. Your bed is built for comfort, and if you linger in it, comfort will win. So as soon as you open your eyes, get up and make your bed. It takes 10 seconds, but it sends a powerful message to your brain. We're done here. No going back. That tiny win creates momentum. One small action leads to the next. It's not about tidiness, it's about triggering progress. 4. Hydrate and wake your face up. Drink a tall glass of water. You've been dehydrated for 7+ hours, and that morning fatigue you feel? Most of the time, it's just your body begging for hydration. Then freshen up, brush your teeth, wash your face, do whatever wakes you up, but don't shower yet. Why? Because you haven't earned it yet. The shower becomes a reward when it marks the transition from grind to reset. Trust me, hold off. You'll feel the difference. 5. Train for 45 minutes, non-negotiable. This is where everything starts to click. If you want confidence, clarity, discipline, and a better body, train first thing in the morning. Weights, calisthenics, or a simple home workout, whatever gets your heart rate up and your mind locked in. By working out before the world even has a chance to distract you, you build internal momentum before most people even finish hitting snooze. This isn't just fitness, this is mental armor. 6. Shower and take care of your face. Now you shower and it feels different. You earned it. You step out of that water not just clean, but reset. Follow it up with a simple skincare routine. Cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen if you're heading out. Not because you're vain, because you respect yourself. Healthy skin is a reflection of self-discipline, and it shows in ways you don't even realize. When you look good, you move different. You speak with more certainty, you show up fully. 7. Fuel with high protein, no BS. Now it's time to eat. Not cereal, not sugar, not whatever's easy. Give your body what it needs, real fuel. Protein helps control hunger, gives you sustained energy, and supports recovery. Eggs, oats, or a simple protein shake, fast, effective, and exactly what your body needs after training. 8. Feed your mind before the world does. Now that your body's moving, don't leave your mind on autopilot. Before you touch your phone, spend 5 minutes sharpening your mindset. Read a few pages, listen to something that challenges you, or sit in silence and ask, how do I want to show up today? Most people go from bed straight into chaos. You'll go from discipline to clarity. Your mind is the command center. Fuel it with intention before the world floods it with noise. This routine isn't complicated. It's not some elite-only ritual that demands perfection. It's simple, repeatable, and powerful enough to transform you. Build momentum early, and the rest of the day bends to your energy.